How to get comment comma on Reddit. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can get comment comma on Reddit. So getting comment comma on Reddit is all about engaging positively and constructively with the community. And here's how to go about it. The first step is to contribute helpfully, to offer insightful, helpful, or funny comments that add value to conversations. So for example, this particular post, this person is asking for what it can do to fix its error. So you can just enter, click on the comment section, and the comment section go ahead and offer insightful comment on how the person can receive help. All right. Another thing you can do is to be popular in popular subreddits. All right. Comment in busy subreddits where your contributions can be seen by more people. That's where you can get comments come out. And also join niche communities. All right. Participate in smaller niche communities where your expertise or interests align and where you can easily get noticed. Then be one of the first to comment on new posts to increase visibility, and engage with other users' comments and upvote quality contributions. So for example, for this particular post, you can just click on the comment section and then checking out the comments, locate comments that you feel okay with, and then the next thing you should do is to upvote by clicking on the arrow here to upvote the comment, and that's way you are increasing your visibility and you can get comments come out that way. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.